Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Slow Talk Mastery. I am Emma, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day.
And I am Mark. Hello, Emma. You look very refreshed today. Did you have a good sleep? Or was it a very good weekend?
It was a fantastic weekend, Mark, and that is exactly what we are talking about today. What did you do this weekend?
That is such a common question. On Mondays, everyone asks this, at the office, at school, or even at the coffee shop.
Exactly. It's the best way to start a friendly conversation. But before we dive into our stories, we want to say a huge thank you to our subscribers.
Yes, we are growing so fast, and it's all because of you. If you haven't joined the Slow Talk Mastery family yet, please click that subscribe button right now.
And don't forget to like and share this video. It helps us reach more English learners around the world. Okay, Mark, let's talk. How was your weekend?
Well, Emma, my weekend was very low-key. Do you know what that means?
Oh, I love that word, low-key. It means you didn't do anything crazy or busy, right?
Exactly. I stayed at home. I slept in on Saturday.
Slept in. That's another great phrase for our listeners. It means you stayed in bed longer than usual. For example, I slept in until 10 a.m.
I wish. After I woke up, I made a big breakfast, and I just binge-watched a new show on Netflix.
Binge-watched. You watched many episodes in a row, right? That sounds so relaxing. Sometimes we need a weekend like that to recharge our batteries.
Definitely. Listeners, what about you? Are you a low-key person? Tell us in the comments if you stayed at home last weekend.
My weekend was the opposite, Mark. I was very active. On Saturday, I went to the park with some friends. We had a picnic.
Oh, I love picnics. Did you bring sandwiches?
We had sandwiches, fruit, and some delicious cookies. The weather was perfect, sunny but not too hot.
That sounds lovely. And did you go anywhere else?
Yes, on Sunday I went to a local flea market. I love looking at old books and vintage clothes.
Did you buy anything?
I did. I found a beautiful old camera. I'm going to try it out next weekend.
Wow. So listeners, Emma went out and I stayed in. Both are perfect weekends. To talk about this, remember to use the past tense. I went, I saw, I had, I bought.
Good point, Mark. Let's practice a few sentences slowly for them.
Emma, when someone tells you about their weekend, you shouldn't just say, okay. You should ask questions.
Right. That keeps the conversation going. For example, if Mark tells me he watched a show, I can ask, "Oh, was it good?" Or, "What was it about?"
Exactly. And if Emma tells me about her picnic, I can ask, who did you go with? Or, where was the park?
Those small questions make you sound much more fluent and friendly. Mark, let's try a quick role play for the listeners.
Let's do it. Hey, Emma, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went to a concert on Friday night.
Really? What kind of music was it?
It was a jazz concert. The music was so soul-calming.
See? It's like a game. You listen, and then you ask.
We've covered a lot today. Staying in, going out, and how to keep the conversation moving.
I feel like I've had a whole weekend just talking to you, Emma.
Me too. Listeners, we hope this episode helps you feel more comfortable when Monday morning comes and someone asks, "How was your weekend?"
Remember, don't worry about making mistakes. Just try to use 1 or 2 new phrases we taught you today.
Before we go, please let us know in the comments, what is your dream weekend? Do you want to go to the mountains, the beach, or just stay in bed?
We can't wait to read your stories. And please subscribe, like, and share this video. It means the world to us.
Thank you for being part of Slow Talk Mastery. We'll see you in the next episode.
Have a great week, everyone. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.